Hello friends, I am Jitesh Moinani. I got All India rank 9th in Civil Engineering stream and I am from LNCT Bhopal. This year the GATE paper was conducted online for all the streams and conducted in several shifts. Civil Engineering paper was also conducted in 2 shifts, morning and evening. The paper of morning shift was quite easier than the evening shift and I appeared in the morning shift paper of the Civil Engineering. Questions were from the basic concepts and were also formula based. Aptitude part also didn't took much time and I started attempting the paper from the technical part as I gave so many tests in test series, so it became a habit to attempt the technical part first. That's why I attempted the technical part first and spent 2 hours and 20 minutes in technical part and rest 40 minutes in aptitude part. The reason of my success is that I deeply understood the concepts and remembered them by regular revision. I did many questions as much as I can so that I would be able to do any question from any concept. And I also solved the previous year GATE papers and got an idea which subjects are common in GATE and how questions are asked in GATE examination. And I started my preparation in the month of February and targeted to end by November so that I would have sufficient time for the revision and test series. So I successfully did it. I completed my whole syllabus by November and for last 2 months I did revision of the subject as much as times I can and also gave so many tests. And so I think that 5 to 6 hours are sufficient to crack the GATE with good rank. And at last you should increase your hours of study. I just suggest you that do not recommend any book. Just follow study notes and class notes because these are okay for cracking the GATE with good rank. And if you are generally want to follow any book, so follow that only for the solving the problems, not for making the concepts, because it will be difficult to make the concepts from the book. I just want to say that just follow the study notes and I also want to thank the GATE Forum team for providing me such a wonderful and effective test series which helped me a lot in my preparation, and they provided 17 full-length tests and other subject-wise tests, and I attempted all the tests and all full-length tests. And I just want to mention one thing, that for last 4 tests they allotted the centers. Their motto was that the student should be familiar with the real environment of the GATE examination. So I just want to suggest you that be regular and punctual in your class and give your 100% and do the revision of the subject as much as time you can and solve the previous year question papers. So best of luck to all the aspirants. Crack the GATE as early as possible because competition will keep on increasing. Thanks.